Welcome! Today we will learn how to use statistics functions. We will start with maximum function. The maximum function returns the maximum value in a given range. So first we start by naming the cell A16 maximum, and then in the cell B16 we type equals and then M. Once you type equals M, a drop-down menu will appear from which we will select the maximum. In order to select, you just double-click on the option. So now you have the maximum function available for you. So you just have to give it the range now. We give it the range from B9 to B15. So once you select the range, you press enter. Now the maximum function will automatically apply the maximum function, and it will give you the maximum value of the range. As you can see, 16 is the highest value in the range. Next, we will learn how to use the minimum function, which is very similar to maximum. You type equals and then min, double-click on min, and then give it the range, and now enter. Now we have the minimum value from the range. Next, we will learn how to use the count function, which returns the number of counts the number of values in a given range. So we name this count. We type equals count, and then we double-click on count option. We give it the range, and then we press enter. So as you can see now, we have 7 values here, and it returns 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, we will learn how to use the average function. You come here and you type equals, and then you say average. Double-click on average and give it the range. Now press enter. You have the average value of the range. Thank you for watching.